Coach, unfortunately,
well, so proud of this team. I think our chairman MVP put it best. He said, "Our heads are bowed in sorrow, but not in shame." We got the best out of what we had. We played these finals with only one game only where we had a complete lineup, and that was game 1. We played 5 games. Game 2 we lost Boy. Game 3 wala na si Boy. Game 4 we lost Enciso. And then we lost both now. So there's nothing for us to be, obviously we're very sad, but nothing for us to be ashamed.
MVP was there, Coach.
Yan ang sinabi niya. Nakakaiyak, nakakalungkot, pero hindi nakakahiyak. And he expressed his appreciation and gratitude to the players for just continuing to fight.
Actually, 2 of 3. After all, 2 of 3 pa rin.
I told the players, hindi biro yung ginawa namin because alam mo ba kung yung mga last na Grand Slam, 8-team field or 10-team field, this was a 12-team field. Hindi biro yung ginawa namin. There's a reason why it's hard to make Grand Slam now. Kasi 11 teams yung dadaan. Diba? I don't know if anyone has realized. Dati, mga nag-Grand Slam, 8 teams lang. I don't know kung meron ng Grand Slam with 10 teams. Ito, 12. So I told the players, hindi biro yung ginawa natin. Hindi biro yung ginawa natin na magtatlong finals natin. And we won 2 of them. So, absolutely nothing to be, there's absolutely no bitterness in my heart. Like we said, time for the players to rest. 75 games. 75 games is no joke in one game.
Coach, looking ahead, pag bumalik na yung eventually, yung mga injured players, I think you're gonna be having one of the deeper rosters in the league, Coach.
Yeah, well, that's the plan. The plan for us in getting the players that we are getting is because we want precisely to have to match the depth of the San Miguel teams, because you see how deep San Miguel, Ginebra, and Magnolia are. They're very, very deep, so we have to be able to match that.
Coach, let's talk about Calvin and RR. Sila 100% pero...
Yeah. That's the other thing. We played Roger, who was not shooting up. Even we playing Calvin sprained both his ankles in the Raiders. Kelly sprained his, diba? One game na, hindi siya nakalaro sa Raiders. But that's why we said we're so proud of their fight, of their effort. We just keep playing, and in the end, you just have to tip your cap to the other team. We made some really tough shots. We try to defend them as much as we can. The problem when you don't have a complete lineup, you don't have the endurance and the depth to finish games. And I think that was the story of the whole series, right? We lost every 4th quarter except last game. So that's a combination of San Miguel's depth and our lack of.
Coach, experience it twice, no, yung going for a Grand Slam. Kayo, how hard is it na ma-condition mo?
I have absolutely no regrets. Like I said, when we start the series, when I coached, I never coached for the Grand Slam. I'd rather almost have it than not get there. Okay na sa akin yun. Palagi ako muntik-muntik. Okay na sa akin yun. I'm sure there are 10 other coaches in the league who would be in my position, right? Okay na sa akin yun. Mamuntik-muntik. At least umaabot ako. I'll take that pain and I'll take that regret.
Coach, there's still a lot of chance for you to aim for that Grand Slam.
Like I said, we don't think about it right now. Our only thought is the next All-Philippine. So, for all the players to get strong, to nourish, to spend time with their families, and then come back ready to work for the next All-Philippine.
Coach, this early, meron na ba kayong outlook kahit medyo matagal pa yung All-Filipino nga? Draft will be on
September. Hindi ko pa
September.
naisip pa to kasi plano ko pa mag-practice bukas eh. So, I have absolutely no plans yet for for the next day or two, wala akong plano kasi I thought that we would still have a chance to come to practice. So we're going to meet the coaching staff sometime next week to plan.
Coach, with how Almond stepped up during this finals, do you see him signing it?
Well, he obviously made a case for himself for continuing on this team. But like I said, that still has to be determined, and I'm not going to make that decision by myself. We have to come together as an entire coaching staff.